Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah Al-Qiyamah, which is the day of judgment, swear by it. And Allah swear by the nafs al-lawama, the blaming soul. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that the man thinks that we will not gather his bones. Bala qadireen ala nusawya banana, we will gather even his fingertips. 1450 years ago, Allah declared that statement that Allah is going to bring back the fingertips. And what is special in the fingertips? It has the fingerprints. We are more than 8 billion people in the world today. 8 billion people in the world today, and all of us, we have a unique fingerprints in our tips. So we have 10 fingers, and every finger on the tip only, we have a fingerprints. So when we will be alive again on the day of judgment, we are going to have a same fingerprints to identify ourselves. Our fingerprints will testify. If you deny something, then your fingerprints will testify that you did this crime, and that's your fingerprints. So that's something, a very good science here, which is the most important science today in the criminology. If there is no knowledge of the fingerprints, then the criminology will be very big problem. Because most of the crimes today, what is the most big evidence today in the world beside the human witness, the eyewitness, the fingerprints is a big witness. Most of the crime, the criminals, they left behind their fingerprints. During the old time and even today, the fingerprints is used for the documents. Especially when we are traveling in the airports, immigration, they always get our fingerprints, which is very special for person who are criminals to identify in through immigration. Example, there are some criminals and they want to enter our country, the country can stop them with the fingerprints because they will be identified in the system that they are criminals.